Today in the grain market, beans were mixed. The uncertainty did stall the rally just for the time being. There are other bullish issues that are in play right now fundamentally. I mean, Brazil has been very dry. There hasn't been rain in Argentina as well. Soybean oil is actually still very strong. And I think that beans are still hanging around that $11 mark, and that's a very solid support in the market. It's no doubt that the election is having some impact on the markets and on all the markets really, and some traders maybe are just moving to the sidelines right now, or here we are at the end of the week, a little bit of profit taking, the market's consolidating, but overall there's still plenty to continue this rally. It just isn't happening exactly today. Corn also was easier today. I think some profit taking there to end the week. Funds still remained very long in corn and in soybeans as well, and even not as big as corn and soybeans, but wheat is also pretty long. Informa came out with some numbers that are really bullish. The US dollar has been a little bit lower, and futures are still hanging around this $4 mark, and that becomes a big support level even for corn at this point right now. So we'll see what happens next week if we can get a continuation. I mean, a weekend is almost a lifetime of information that can happen, so we're going to be watching that very close. Now, wheat did retreat as well. We did have a big run up yesterday, but we weren't able to hang on to that. Futures are consolidating right now in this range, and we are right around that $6 mark, and it's kind of a benchmark now, and it's become the support level. Now, there has been some no rain in Russia, Ukraine. Australia said that they're going to be planting they're harvesting a bigger harvest, a bigger crop right now. That should maybe put a little bit of pressure on the market. And of course, Russia has said that they're going to be planting record acres. Now, all that being said, would sometimes weigh on the market, and maybe it weighed on it a little bit longer. And the rally in wheat was really tagging along with corn and soybeans, and perhaps that's why the wheat market today was off a little bit more than what corn and soybeans were. That being said, we're still very, very strong, and it looks like that our, even food prices, global food prices have been up for 5 months in a row. Those kind of things really will have an effect on a lot of these grain markets. So we expect that we're going to see a little bit more of a continuum, or maybe some posturing here before the WASDE report come next Tuesday. It should be very, very interesting.